back to BA Performance. Today we're going to be installing a SKYJACKER 7000 steering stabilizer for a 4x4 Toyota pickup in our 2x4 Toyota Dually. Okay, step one here is to get rid of the old and busted. So you can see the oil on here, not up there. That means this thing's probably leaking oil. It is about 40 years old, a little less, so to be expected. Anyway, there's a pin there and a nut, probably 17 or so. And then on the back side, we just have this little guy here, which we might cut just for the sake of easiness. But otherwise, a little bolt and a little thing that you hold on to there. So yeah, we're gonna start by taking that out. Alright, we got this side off without cutting it. And you can see how easy that moves. And you might be able to even hear it. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of oil left in there. So, next step, that side. We have our SKYJACKER in our stock location here. And this is for 4x4, so, and we're putting on 2x4, so hopefully everything's gonna work out here. So it's a little bit different on this side already. And we can go ahead and tighten that up. Alright, the next step you want to do is extend this out 4 inches. That's about half of its full travel there. And you want your wheels to be pointed straight. So right there we're just under 4, we'll go a little bit more. Okay, 4 inches. Then we'll be installing our bracket, which is going to be up higher. I don't know if that's going to be okay. Yeah, not super in love with that. Might have to think about that a second. Okay, so I made a bracket here out of the other bracket that came with the kit to drop this mounting point down about, let's say 1.5 inches, 1 3/4, maybe even up to 50 millimeters. And what that's going to do is keep us from hitting the oil pan, because where this side was mounted before, we were kind of hitting the oil pan. So we'll be able to bring that all down now. Okay, you want to assemble this and make sure that you're extended out your 4 inches or half your travel there, and then you lift it up and line it up to your steering here. And I had to grind a little bit right there to make this U-bolt fit. So let's go ahead and get that one mounted on there. And then instead of a second U-bolt, I'm just going to pop a regular bolt. Alright, I turned the wheels both ways here, just to make sure that it goes bump stop to bump stop, touching, so that's maxed out right there. Yeah, so we didn't lose any turning radius, which is good. And that thing just looks pretty damn sick. Alright, that's everything you need to know to install a 4x4 SKYJACKER steering stabilizer in your 2x4 pickup. Yeah, looks pretty sick. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.